If you're looking for the solutions manual for advertising and promotion and integrated marketing communications perspective, 13th edition by Belch, you can find it at testbank.pro. This manual can be a really useful tool, especially if you're working through tough chapters or preparing for exams. It helps you check your understanding, see how the answers are worked out, and just study a bit more efficiently. A lot of students use it to make sure they're on track, especially when professors assign problem sets straight from the book. So again, if you need the Belch 13th edition solutions manual, it's available now at testbank.pro.